mixed with orange and grape and orange and chocolate. So here we have the grapes. And these oranges are not peeled yet. Okay, here, Kuya.
Wait.
Wait. Okay, let's peel the orange first. Oh, bro. Kuya, peel mo.
Peel? Apple nut.
I-peel mo daw. Balatan
Peel?
mo.
Balat-
Ay, balatan mo. Ba't dyan?
Bakit?
Bakit dyan? Dito sa bayan, Kuya.
Wait, just for a while.
RJ!
What?
RJ!
What?
RJ! Tapos ka na?
Hindi pa. Tapos na.
No, not aces na. Okay, let's taste. First, we will taste orange. First, let's go wash your hands. Let's go wash your
Yeah.
hands. Balik ka na.
First mo na.
This is our kitchen. Ay!
Ito.
Wait, it's black. Your turn, your turn. Okay, let's go. Kuya! Yeah, come on! Okay, let's taste it now. Wait! Me first. Kuya, that's yours.
Huh? Dalawa
Me
pa?
second. Me
Pwede.
third. Okay, now.
Pwede na.
No. Huwag mong
Wait,
saksak
wait.
pag kuryente na yan. It's okay. Go. Move back.
Okay.
Move backwards.
Okay.
Pag kuryente is no longer with
Dalawa?
kids. Okay. Move back.
Eh? Gusto ko isa.
Ito na. Ito yung bati niya.
Wait.
Ay! Can I get some more orange? Wait lang guys. Wait! Just wait for my...
Yan.
We will mix... Kuya, bakbard. We will taste chocolate and orange. Kuya, peel. Kuya, peel.
Ulit.
Kulit.
Ito.
Hindi.
Ano?
Yung orange.
Sabi na to. Binabuksan na.
Hey, backwards.
Bagwat ka.
Para makita. Lang. Kunin ko chichiwa ko. Chichiwa mo? Chichira? Chichira?